Hello. Odyssey.
Wait, how's the lighting? Do you need a backlight?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hello. Odyssey.
Oh, wait, this isn't a backlight. You have to turn this way.
Hello. Odyssey. It's time to cook.
I'll be cooking up. I'll be cooking up. I'll be cooking up. It's real the shit. White money, number one house like the best person. Eat every bit of and a rich person. If we talking overcooked, I'll be the best pussy.
Onion your face.
Change your plan. Change your plan. We are cooking the sauce first.
Yes, we have one pot. So
This is a student house, okay?
the student house. Okay, there's like some skin mixed into this.
Hey.
onion.
In your no pot.
Oh my god.
Hey.
And other half of onion.
Face.
That's
Face.
Wrap and surround wrap and put
Face.
it in the fridge.
Face. Face.
If you have saran wrap.
Onion your face.
Dice an onion. Okay. Clean.
Is that clean cutting board?
Watch
Say
it.
clean
Watch it.
knife.
Knife behind. Quarter.
Behind hands.
Quarter.
I need hands.
Quarter.
This is live action bear.
Well,
the bear is organ live action.
It's the bear. You know the proper way to hold the knife? Good job.
Double camera shot.
This is where
Double.
you edit in the applaud. Yeah!
I hit him with the shake. Since you get baked. My bitch got cake. Cooking by the lake. Turn it on the kitchen.
Okay.
Take it with me.
Wait, you cut it like this? I thought you cut the
Whatever
other
way you just cut it like that, sure.
I thought you'd do it this way.
Whatever way you
I was
want.
doing a joke.
Let the chef help. No, actually, it's the wrong way to do it.
Onion your face.
Okay, onion.
Oh yeah.
I would use this side.
Okay,
Use
one
the
more
bigger one.
onion.
We love onion. Onion's delicious.
Onion.
Peel the onion. No, take
I'ma
this.
win.
Take
Onion
the
your
skin off
face.
the onion. It's okay. It's the
He's
skin.
got a lot
it's
to
the skin.
learn.
It's not the actual onion. It still has a layer of protection. Okay. We're peeling the garlic. Harmeet just cut into the garlic. You're supposed to peel the garlic before you cut it.
It sounds very accusatory.
It is accusatory.
I like to drift
I
allegations.
don't
They're not
know.
true.
I like a lot
They're
of
not true.
garlic. Does everyone like garlic?
I love garlic.
Okay. We love garlic.
Is everyone
okay.
in favor?
Of a
Not
lot
me.
of garlic. Okay, well, majority wins.
Call back. Sorry.
Bro is waiting there.
My eyes. This is not scripted. My eyes. What? Vlog? Wait. My eyes. This is not scripted.
Oh my god.
With your hand, and then go like this, and kind of do like a clockwise motion, kind of like this.
I've actually never seen that technique.
Okay.
Really?
Well, you can do whatever technique you want, but
I don't remember the techniques that I've
try
seen.
it.
You do it fast? I feel like this is messy. Get some crazy angles, Sisi.
Okay. Ever, do you have a can opener?
I feel like I'm not doing this well.
Wait, maybe we do. Maybe we don't.
Push it all back into one pile. Oh, not with your hand, honey, with the knife.
I don't know.
Is that it? No, I think it's just browning.
Yeah, right?
Okay, yeah, we're good. No more skin. Yay!
Hey. Beautiful.
Okay. This is road to chef. We're not there yet.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Part of the work. Beautiful.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, that wasn't just me. I was trying. Okay, I did it the best. Okay, whoa. Oh, I was on your side. Okay, fuck you. Damn it. I think you're right by the rim. I've cut a lot of tuna cans. I eat a lot of tuna. Ooh. Although I've never used one like this before. This one's really old-fashioned. Mine has like a rounder piece on top. I mean, it's probably essentially the same thing, but mine just has an extra piece of plastic. But, you know.
Thank you.
You did it.
I helped you.
This is the most chaotic cooking.
Okay. No, I need to learn. I need to learn how to cook. I need to learn it, please.
Why is it so blurry?
Okay, so we tested the oil. If there is heat coming off the oil, we know it's hot enough to put the onions in.
Onion your face.
Okay. Now we're
Beautiful.
see. Okay, it's not. See, there's skin in these onions.
Because Harmin. Harmin.
Guys,
Maybe.
pushing blame on others is not the best course of action. Onion your face.
Okay. After the onions.
We don't have any seasonings for them on
We
them
need
right
salt
now.
or pepper.
Salt or pepper?
That is a good point. That is a good point.
I have to edit this, bro. What the fuck?
This is gonna be hard.
No, you have to cut this.
No. No. I'm the cameraman.
Haha. Yeah, bitch. Fuck you.
Do we have anything other than this to like mix this?
Yeah.
I said anything other than that. Minced garlic.
Take this out. Cause it's metal. You
It's
don't put
metal.
metal. You don't put metal in. Don't put metal in microwaves. Don't put metal.
Oh, don't on plastic.
Onion your face.
Okay.
Double the camera.
What? That's not how you mince garlic.
Oh goodness. Oh, sorry.
Why didn't you say anything? I get my fellow anyway. What? I just hit it with the shake and bake. Whoa. Big green, big monster coming out the lake. I hit him with the hit. Like I'm swiping.
I don't know. I'm just feeling. No, it's feels.
Yeah, can you do it? Yeah.
Okay, how much do you want?
The whole can. You gotta crush the
Whole cane.
Yes. But make sure it's kind of like chunks. But like, oh, like you wanna get.
I'm actually really Oh shit! Everett!
We weren't supposed to add water or anything to this.
This is what the recipe
Oh,
calls
okay.
for.
You're totally right. I'm so wrong.
What's the name? What's the name of the recipe?
Italian tomato sauce.
Okay.
Yes, best recipe.
So I can.
Damn, look at that.
Oh wow.
Wow.
That's brutal.
I need to mince the sauce.
Nah, you saw what happened to Malik's apples.
What happens?
I'm at.
Is this?
Yes.
Yeah, we need to do this in the least messiest way possible. He's taking off his shirt for this.
I'm taking off. That's usually how the videos go.
And then we want the